Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a huge haul from Halcraft. I don't know if any of you know, but they announced out of nowhere that they were closing down their e-commerce site. I don't know if they're closing down their business altogether, but they put everything on 60% off, so I went a little nuts. Not that bad, but I did go a little crazy. They're the ones who supply a lot of the bead landing beads to Michael's, so I don't know how that's going to work out. I don't even want to think about it, but I'm going to show you what I got. It was a little random because I kind of just went through everything, especially like the check glass, because I thought 60% off of their prices was a good idea. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this super bundle. So it's 600 pieces. And I think this boiled down to being like $3 or $4, which is why I bought it, because there's no way, even on a sale, even on a good sale at the bead store, can you get this many of these for $3 or $4. So, and I didn't have this shape. It's not a super duo. So it's, this is bronze iris. I'm sure you can see the color. A couple of these have like the holes blocked. So I just need a bead reamer for that. But I thought that was such a good deal. Got a couple of those. Not that color, but I got them in this dark copper color. You know, I love me some copper. And I got them in silver coated. And these are all coated, not fully all the way through that color. And I don't know if I got them in any other. Oh, I did. I got them in this color. I'm not seeing regular gold, but it might be in there somewhere. I think maybe I thought this was regular gold. And then bright rust. So I got all the metallics. This is some chain, 14 inches, 28 millimeter green acrylic chain. This was kind of like a last minute thing to throw in there. I thought they would be cool to just, you know, I think you could take, oh, it's broken. Well, I'm going to just take some Loctite and clean that up. I don't think, yeah, these aren't open. So I would have to break one to get it apart. So I'll have to think very carefully about how I'm going to use these before I use them. Seven and a half inches of Philippine polished wood gray 4x10 millimeter. Usually this stuff's pretty expensive. That's why I got one of them. Usually when stuff is 60% off, that's when I'll get something that I really haven't bought before, because, you know, it's 60% off. Oh my gosh, that was just the silliest thing that I've ever done. I just ripped it out of there and it's broken. So put it back in. There are several beads on the floor. But anyway, they're nice. They're very smooth, gorgeous beads. Sometimes these at the bead shows are pretty expensive. This is a bead landing strand. I got it because it was 50% or 60% off. I can't even remember how much it was. I'm sure I can look at my invoice. Glass donut amber mix, 3x6 millimeter. They were a neat shape. More bead landing. I don't think I've ever seen this shape. I love it. Obviously, it's just a turquoise simulant, or, you know, like magnesite or howlite. Yeah, dyed howlite. That's okay. I really love the shape. And the thing is, a lot of people, I see a lot of posts on like Instagram or TikTok, like, oh, look at these fake crystals. Okay, well, some people can't afford the $70 or $80 strands or even more of turquoise, and people deserve to have cute beads. So as long as you know what you're putting in your jewelry and you're not being tricked and you're not scamming anybody else by saying this is real turquoise, so what? It's a cute bead. I can tell you I have real and fake turquoise in my stash, in my jewelry. I don't care. So that's my rant. I don't want anybody, like, you don't have to be an elitist to be a jewelry maker. I don't get it. Anyway, so then we got some metal beads, plated ovals, 10x15 millimeter. So we've got bronze, copper, and like a gunmetal. I love this shape and that pattern. So it looks like little Wi-Fi symbols now that I'm looking at it. And then I want to get out all the stuff that's not check beads, because I got a lot of check beads. Okay, so these are awesome. I thought they looked a little bit like like an animal print or something, even though I know they really are like nature print because they're shell. These are made in the Philippines, natural shell beads, 29 by 30 millimeter. Aren't those so stinking cool? Oh my gosh, such a statement. These were, I think, even after the 60% off, like $5. But if you go to the bead shows, this stuff is really expensive because it's from Philippines. And I believe the Philippines had a huge typhoon, not last year, but maybe the year before. And it really destroyed a lot of the places that manufacture these beads. So it's harder to get them now. But those are so beautiful. I got some little scullies. So metal tone sugar skull, 17 by 22 millimeter. These are heavy. These are cool, and I'm definitely going to paint them. You know, I have a ton of check glass skulls, and that's what these remind me of, but they're very, very neat looking. I love them. And then I got these heart skulls, which are just so awesome. I should have bought more, but by this point I was kind of exhausted of shopping. I know, but I bought a lot of stuff for polymer clay the same week, and I think I was just like, okay, we need to slow it down. But these are gorgeous. Sorry, I don't know why it's focusing on the back. There we go. Love these. They're so fun. I want to paint those too. I did hear a resounding yes that we'd like to have a paint video. We don't need to make anything with the stuff we paint. Thank you. I've been obsessed with fish lately. Don't know why. So not like eating it, but like fish-shaped stuff. I got a fish-shaped polymer clay cutter coming in the mail. I think it's coming tomorrow. And then I needed these fish beads. They're double-sided. They're so cool. They're huge. Love them. Don't ask me why I start obsessing over certain shapes. Then I got a bunch of, well, not a bunch, but a few of these evil eye pendants. This one's 33 millimeter. You know, I think this looked red online. So, and it's like a fuchsia. I guess it was 60% off. I don't know that I'd buy it again. Not this color. I would probably go for a different color. I like a little bit more vibrant than that color. I'm not a jewel tone person for the most part. I did get this in red. This one's 24 millimeter. Oh, it does say pink. Maybe I thought it was like a hotter pink. Who knows? I do like how red this one is. Very cute. And then we've got the same 33 millimeter one, but this one's like in an ivory, like pearl, which I also thought was like bright white. I don't think I was paying attention that they have these like yellowish pearls around them. They're cute. From far away, they're cuter than they are close up. Can't love everything, I guess. And then I've got a mountain of check beads to show you, even though I already showed you these check beads. Okay, I think these are check. This was a super bundle deal. Yep, check glass, copper iris coated rondelles. So there was 3 strands in this bundle. That's cool because these can get used up pretty quickly if you're using them as spacers. Are these large hole? Yes. Oh my gosh, I want to use these for a leather bracelet. These are really cool. I love them. Glad I have 3 strands. Fighting myself. Hopefully they're sale. Hopefully they sold out everything because I don't want to go back. I want to go back, but I shouldn't. Next we have another bundle pack, 3 packs of 30 pieces. Check glass orange swirl rectangle, 12 by 14 millimeter. This is such a good deal. Like I could not pass this up. Plus I'm constantly searching for orange check glass because it's so hard to find for me. I just don't know. Anyway, these are table cut, gorgeous swirl, super vibrant. Absolutely obsessed. Absolutely obsessed with those. Next, I think I got 2 of these just because it was such a good deal. 50 pieces. Check yellow glass faceted with topaz luster edge. It's got I don't know what that means, but it's got a Picasso on both sides. I just love it. I love them. I love how vibrant that yellow is once they table cut it. Beautiful. So I got 2 packs of those. Of course, more orange, and I didn't realize until after I checked out that these were 4 millimeter, but I don't care. They're so vibrant. These are great. Actually, that would look great together in some Halloween jewelry. So let me know. Last year I did 13 days of Halloween. Let me know if you want another Halloween series. Some people didn't love Halloween last year, so if you're among that, let me know. What would you like to see for Halloween this year? These are dark, opaque dark coral check glass rounds. These are 8mm fire polished, 50 pieces. Gorgeous color. And that's not coated, like that's all the way through that color of glass. And thinking about Halloween, what like themes would you like to see? Pumpkins, ghosts, horror movies, cute, scary, anything in between. Just let me know what you want to see. Check glass fire polished faceted glass rounds. These are huge. They're 12mm. I couldn't believe that I got a packet. This was like $3 or $4 for these. For 50 pieces of these huge beads. I got just about every big piece, every big color they had. But look how gorgeous those are. Those are amazing and stunning and beautiful. And look at the flash on them. Yummy. It's eye candy. We've got check fire polished faceted glass opal, red opal. These are 8mm. Yummy. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. Such a good deal. I might have to go back and see if they have more check glass. Like, I don't need a lot of this stuff, but like, I don't need any of this stuff. Let's be real. But it's nice to have. These are great filler beads, and check glass can get super expensive. So when you can find it on a 60% off sale, snap it up. These were so cool. I don't have anything like this. Yellow line check glass, fire polished 6mm, 100 pieces. It's just clear with yellow stripe down the middle. This would be so pretty in some like fruit themed jewelry or fire, like with these orange summery. So cute. Oh, these are not check glass. These are just some bead, no, they're not bead caps. They're spacers, copper tone, metal cut rondelles, 3.5 by 5mm. I thought those were neat. Right up my alley. I think I got 2 of these because I thought they were such a great shape and a great deal. 10mm black check oval line glass beads. So I call these turbines usually. And they're usually like super duper expensive, and they're gorgeous. They're like a rainbow metallic over a black table cut. I love that shape. Honestly, like this could be your entire necklace with a really pretty pendant, and it would be so sophisticated. I just love it. Just love it. Next, ooh, these are gorgeous. Just like these orange ones. They're like a mocha latte color. 20 pieces. 12 by 14 striped glass rectangle, 12 by 14mm, and the color's amber. I don't know why we did this with the sticker. Anyway, not opening it now, but you can see what it looks like. It's gorgeous. It's got that satin finish in there. It's just kind of got a soft glow. That's what the satin is. Bright yellow fire polish beads, 8mm. Gorgeous. This looks like a comic book color, you know? 50 pieces. Uh, 10mm table cut with travertine edge. These are, it doesn't say. This is one of their super bundles. It doesn't say what color, but it's red. They're gorgeous little coins. Again, you could do a whole necklace with just this and a spacer and then a pendant, and it'll last forever because it's gorgeous glass. Some more yellow table cut, but in a different shape. So 30 pieces, 8mm. Lentil. Topaz luster is what they call that outside. Oh yeah, it is kind of like a little slight luster on there. Love that bright yellow ringed by the dark color. Oh, this isn't check glass either, but two little hand pendants. with a little cabochon in them. So cool. Beautiful. Those are gorgeous. And we've got red opaque, 4mm, 100 pieces, fire polished glass beads. These look like red, like cherry red. Gorgeous color. I'm dropping them all over the place already. And then, did I get more than one of these? I didn't. No, I did. Yay, because I knew I was going to love them. These are fire polished rounds, 6mm, but they're black with travertine luster glass. They look like Jet Picasso, which is why I got 2, because Jet Picasso is one of my favorite finishes. These are gorgeous. Oh, I could swim in Nevada, those. And then these are so stinking beautiful. Black faceted round with silver luster, 10mm, 30 pieces. They're like cathedral beads. They're gorgeous. Look how chunky these are. Again, another bead that could just be the whole necklace with a pendant and you'd be good to go. And then these two are so amazing. I don't think I have anything like this in my stash, which is saying something. These are 50 pieces, 10mm, fire polished faceted rounds, topaz crackle. I have never seen a crackle faceted glass bead, and it's just so neat. I don't even know if you can tell that there are facets, but there are. This looks like a piece of honeycomb, you know? Like a piece of honey just hanging out. And then I got them in blue. Oh my gosh, look how vibrant those are. Light blue crackle. I couldn't be happier with this order. It's astonishing how happy I am with this order. Everything's 100% better than I thought it was going to be. And that's saying something because I had high hopes. So anyway, sorry that Halcraft is closing down. I know there are a lot of sad people. Hopefully it's just their retail site. Hopefully they're still supplying Michaels, because I know in the country, like in this country, that is one of the only places that some people have access to beads. And I would hate it if Michael stopped carrying beads just because Halcraft went out of business. So let me know what your favorite was. I can't tell you. I mean, the crackle beads, I kind of saved them for last, but I really, really loved these because the shape is just so neat. I love everything. I've chosen myself, you know? So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. What are you doing, silly girl? You're not even scratching very well. You're not very good at that. Do you know that the camera's out? Because normally you wouldn't be hiding like that. Goldie. Hi, buddy. Hi, sweetie.